Hello dear friends and TradeWise channel followers. Today I'm posting the first video of many to come. We'll discuss Trump's impact on the crypto market, especially Bitcoin. Let's examine how Trump becoming president affects Bitcoin. So let's start from the beginning. When Trump returned, everyone was waiting to see what would happen. The crypto market took a deep breath, then we saw sharp fluctuations. First, I should mention that Trump's approach to digital assets has changed significantly. Unlike before, he seems to understand crypto is a new phenomenon. His economic team also has a different view on blockchain and Bitcoin. Interestingly, Bitcoin's price quickly rose after Trump's election, breaking previous highs. We're still in that upward Bitcoin movement, almost at its all-time high, which has slightly corrected from its peak but remains elevated. Bitcoin's path hasn't been smooth at all, with sharp ups and downs. We've had high days and low days, but overall, since Trump became president, his positive approach to Bitcoin has led to good growth. Now I'll tell you what points to consider and how to invest before you even start investing. What key numbers should we look at in Bitcoin that can help us grow again? Regarding Bitcoin's growth, I should mention that miners are now facing less strict regulations, and the old restrictions will likely be removed soon. They'll be able to mine more easily without obstacles. Now, looking at the Bitcoin chart on Binance Exchange, we're observing it on the daily time frame. As you can see, we've drawn price trend levels, with $10,000 being a significant number. These levels fluctuate up to 10,000, and for Bitcoin, price trend levels are crucial and can guide the price well. Since Bitcoin has maintained the 90,000 level well, which we can clearly see in the chart, it's unlikely that it will easily lose this level anytime soon. If you plan to hold Bitcoin long term, you should keep liquidity ready for all these levels. This way, when the price hits $100,000, you buy one step. For example, for 4 steps, you can hold your liquidity. You can set $4,000 to $5,000 steps depending on your risk tolerance for Bitcoin purchases. However, never invest all your intended Bitcoin money at once. As I'm explaining, buy in different steps. This way, you can lower your average purchase price and potentially enter profit more quickly. So what we have is the upcoming inauguration of Trump's presidency. We're expecting significant price fluctuations. Trump said when he enters the White House, he'll make important decisions about crypto. He said when he enters the White House, he'll regulate crypto and make America the global center for digital currency trading. He's declared full support, but we need to pay attention to a technical point. Looking at the chart, we see a price divergence between the indicator and price. We're seeing a price increase, but in the RSI, we're seeing a level decrease. This doesn't mean Bitcoin is ready for a big drop, but we should consider this correction that's happened. It could be a larger drop. On the MACD, if you look, we see this decline. We need to watch these ranges carefully. The $10,000 range is a strong resistance level for the price, but as Bitcoin has shown in recent days on the daily chart, if you look, there's no specific resistance that can easily stop Bitcoin's rise, as Bitcoin has been around for a while. Many days were spent at very low prices. For nearly a year, big Bitcoin whales were able to accumulate well. Large banks and investment portfolios bought lots of Bitcoin at $15,000 to $20,000. Now they're not selling easily at this price. But the phenomenon we're facing, known as the Trump presidency, could make this tough for us. In resistance, we must be careful not to let fluctuations affect our strategy. We've returned above $100,000 again. This is crucial support. It's only $3,000 from here to $100,000. In this 3% range, we make small purchases in 1 or 2 steps, aiming for $110,000. Our stop loss is set at the daily candle closing below $100,000. Be careful not to risk more than 2 to 3% of your account, so you're ready for higher prices. If it drops below $100,000, friends who hold can aim for $100K, $90K, and $80K. These are levels where we can easily make our purchases. Besides these levels I mentioned, there's also a $85K level you can target instead of $80K. Make your purchase at $85K and complete it at $80K for the final step. However, if strange events occur and US inflation faces issues, the Fed might make tougher decisions. In that case, don't take the $80K step. Keep cash until the previous high of $68K to $70K. You can complete your purchase at that point. That's it. Please subscribe to our channel for more up-to-date analysis in the future.